Hi, this is Vinil, and I am working in one of the biggest product-based company. I am alumni of the SR Engineering College, and I was the first passed out student from the CSE SREC College. Today I was invited to the Project Expo event. This is the second time I am coming as a jury member to this event, and it was very awesome and excellent. Every project that I was going through, I was reviewing the project. I felt like I was reviewing a live ChatGPT demo or a live Google Gemini demo. It was very exciting, and the kind of projects that people have delivered were very nice. I'm sure at least 20 to 30% of projects will surely convert like an startups. Thanks SR Engineering College for this opportunity. Looking forward to join similar kind of events. Thank you.